and welcome to Mr. Holt Maths in HD. Today we're going to be multiplying and dividing by 10, 100 and 1,000, and I've got a lovely class with me here to help out today. First of all, we're going to start with whole numbers times by different things, divided by different things. Okay, hands up, who could do 34 times 100 aroma, please?
34 times 100 is 3,400.
Right, why have you come up with that answer? How have you done that?
It's because I added the 2 zeros simply by the 34.
Okay, so you've seen then straight away that there's 2 zeros, so you've added them on. Nice little trick there. Okay, next one, 6 times 1,000, fill out.
6,000.
And why have you come up with 6,000?
Because 6 is one digit and then there's 3 zeros there, so I just added 3 zeros.
Okay, so you've seen there, we've got the 3, so that becomes 6,000. Division, a little bit harder. First question, 84,000 divided by 100. Cal?
8,400.
8,000, how have you come up with that?
I just took a 0 away from it.
Okay, so you've seen that there's 1 0 there, so we can get rid there. 8,400. Last question, 6,800 divided by 100.
68.
How have you come up with 68?
Because there's 2 zeros in place value, you need to take away the 2 zeros and make 68.
Okay. So with that, with whole numbers, we can see there's a nice easy trick there using the zeros that are in the question. Something a little bit harder, if we've got the decimal places, there's loads of lines here, it's a bit more difficult, but we can see that these are our place values. So there's our decimal, so we'd have units, tens, hundreds, thousands, tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. Alright, so if I put a number in, let's go with 76.21. Alright, and I'm going to times that by 100. Can I explain what I've got to do and why? Yes, Deal.
I think you have to move it 2 places to the left.
Why is that?
Because there's 2 zeros at the end of the 100.
Fantastic. So we've got 2 zeros at the end. So we're going to move 2 spaces to the left. So they're all going to go this way. Does the decimal move?
No.
The decimal stays where it is.
Because you never move a decimal.
Fantastic.
It's like my hand.
Never, ever.
Fantastic. Right. So 7,621 we've moved to the left because we times it. Another example. I'm going to divide by 1,000, and I'm just going to have 726.0, and I'm going to divide by 1,000.
You're going to move it 3 spaces to the right.
Why to the right?
Because you're not going up, you're down.
Excellent. Is the decimal place moving?
No.
And how many places to the right am I going? 3. So 1, 2, 3. The 6 would go there, the 2 would go there, the 7 there. Is that the answer then? Hands up, is that the answer?
No, sir, you missed out the decimal point.
Right then, so if I just put that there, is that correct?
No,
you have to
Right,
put...
why is it not in the final? Okay. Fantastic. One more example, just to make sure. So we'll go with 327.084, and this time I'm just gonna times it by 10. I'm just gonna times it by 10. Hands up, what's going to happen? Courtney?
You have to move them all like 1 place to the left.
Brilliant. So there's 1 0, so we're moving 1 space, all the numbers to the left. 3, 2, 7, 0. Decimal place doesn't move. 0.84. What we've got to be aware of is when we've got no lines in there, like a question in the exam might give you, if I was to do 27.01 times 10, be aware that you're moving to the left because you're multiplying 1 space. We've got to be able to do that, so it's always good to write underneath. So 1, 0, 7, 2. And that way the decimal point is not moving and you're moving the right way. I've been Mr. Holt. See you later.